Hello everyone, welcome to Extra Touch Academy, where you learn, grow and become. So we are going to be looking at a Venn diagram, and we'll start with two subsets problem. So here we are going to be talking about two subsets. So we have a formula for each. N bracket A union B is equal to N, that is cardinality, number of A plus number of B minus number of bracket A intersection of B. So we are going to use Venn diagram to illustrate. Then I'll tell you how to use those formula once you are given this kind of question. Maybe you have OBJ question and you don't want to solve, or you don't want to solve the question using the Venn diagram. So we are going to learn it. Let's go to the question right away. So your Venn diagram, this is number one. You enclose it in a rectangular shape, then using your oval shape to represent the subset. So let's go to the question. Out of 30 candidates, so 30 should be here outside, talking about the total. Applying for a post, 17 have degrees. So let's use D for degrees. So 17 have degrees, 15 have diplomas. Let's use DI. Let's use DE for degrees, DI for diplomas. So let's say we have 15 for diplomas. 4 neither degree nor diploma. So neither is not within this degree and diploma. So let's put it outside here. 4. How many of them have both? How many of them have both? So always start from the middle, the intersection of the two of them. So let's call it X. So this region is those that have both degree and diploma. So we call it X. So going to here, this region here is for those that have degree only. So how do we get here? Is 17 minus this X. So we have 17 minus X. This region is for those that have degree, diploma only. How do we get this? Is 15 minus X. And we are good to go. So this is the Venn diagram. Let us solve. The total here is 30. We have 30 is equal to, you focus on this inside. You don't need this and this again. We have started it out here. So we have 17 minus X plus 15 minus X plus, remember we have neither, plus 4. So I have 30 is equal to, let's collect like terms. So we have 17 plus 15 plus 4 minus X plus X minus X. 30 is equal to 15 plus 17. 17 plus 15 will give you 32. 32 plus 4 will give you 36. Minus X will cancel plus X. We are left with minus X. Then collecting like terms. So when minus X comes here is plus X is equal to 36. When plus 30 comes here is minus 30. So our X is equal to 36 minus 30 is 6. So 6 offer 6 have both degrees and diploma. So if we are to use method 2, if we are to use this method, we have N bracket DE union DI is equal to N bracket DE plus N bracket DI minus N bracket DE intersection of DI. They said something about neither, so we have to add it. N bracket DE intersection of DI complement. It means that it's talking about the neither. So let's look at the total of everything given to us. 30 is equal to number of degree is 17 plus number of diploma is 15 minus how many study both, have both, we don't know. So let's call it X plus how many have, the neither is 4. Yes, we have plus 4. So I have 30 is equal to 15 plus 17 plus 15 plus 4. 17 plus 15 is, I think it should give us 32 plus 4, 36. So 36 minus x. Let's bring this x here. 36 minus 30 will still give us 6. Still the same answer we got. So let's go to number 2 right away. Number 2 question. So we have number 2 question here. We have in a class, let us draw our rectangle first. We have the first one and the second one. In a class of 45 students, so here is 45. 32 offered physics, so let's use P to represent physics, which is 32. 28 offered government, let's use G for government, 28. And 12 did not offer any of the 2 subjects, so this is neither. 12 is here. Draw the Venn diagram to represent the information. How many students offered both? So both is here, let's call it X. So to get here is 32 minus X, that is those that offer physics only. To get here is for those that study, that offer government only, which is 28 minus X. And this is the Venn diagram, which is the I question there. So make sure that you fill in this position, fill it up before you start solving. How many offered both physics and government? So let's get it. I. The total is 45. We have 45 is equal to 32 minus X plus 28 minus X plus the leader 12. So let us collect like terms. We have 32 plus 28 plus 12 minus X plus X minus X. 45 is equal to 32 plus 28 should give us 60. 60 plus 12 is 72. Minus X will cancel plus X. We have minus X. Let us collect like terms. When minus X comes here is plus X is equal to, we are left with 72. When plus 72 comes here is minus 45. When plus 45 comes here is minus 45, sorry. So we have X is equal to, when you subtract, you are going to get 27. 27. So those that offer 2 of them are 27 students. So what is N bracket P union G? This is, union means combination of what is common in both P and G. So if you look at this, look at what is common in all of them. Look at it here. So this thing means 32 minus X plus 28 minus X. They are asking you, how many of them offer either physics or government? Are you seeing that now? But this neither is not part of them. So let's look at it. So remember we have gotten our X as 27. So let's look at 32 minus 27 plus 27 plus 28 minus 27. I'm just replacing this X with 27. So minus 27 will cancel plus 27. I have 32 plus 28 minus 27 is 1. So the answer is 33. So the number of students that offer either physics or government or physics only or both of them or government only are 33 students. And that is it for now. So in our next video, we are going to look at more complex questions in two sets, two subset problem. So we are going to look at that. So make sure you go through this and watch the next video. Thank you.